brings me to our next question that just came in. We've got somebody out there that's wondering how the statements are delivered. Are they delivered to the importer? Are they delivered to the broker? How can they go get those statements?
So the statements come through the customs broker software. And so the customs broker gets them, and then the importer gets them as well. So for Scarborough, how our process works is obviously our accounting department gets the statements, and then it's automatically emailed out of our software system to the importer.